happy Wellness Wednesday. What the hell is that? See, let me go get my tea. But come on, let's go do something wellness for me and you. You know, go tap into yourself and do what you need right now. Nature. Nature, 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 nature.
You ready for this view? Are you ready for the view? Okay. If you is, comment below, ready to see. Comment below, beautiful just for me. But let's go, let's go, let's go. All I'm gonna say is, when I say I'm a natural healer, I mean nature heals all. Mother Nature provides everything that we need from head to toe. And then we have everything else within. So tap within and get without.
The beautiful sceneries of Georgia. This is High State Park, High Falls State Park. And this is not even the just of it. Wait till we get to the actual waterfall. Just beautiful. How can you not love nature? Are you serious? The butterfly is so beautiful.
Gratitude for tapping in.